We're back at the bottle yard today. Pretty much the same shoot as yesterday. But there's a bar in the corner today, so probably going to spend most of my time there. Got some musicians in, some live music. Apparently they're making the soundtrack for the film. So I don't know what the hell they're doing here. Wasting their time, really. Should be working, doing something productive. Oh, and there's Tilly. Holding everything together, keeping the ship afloat, pretty much. Like she does every day. Don't know what we do without her. Hey, how's it going? What are you guys doing?
Hi, we're the band.
The band? What band? What's the band for?
What's the band?
Futuristic blues.
Blues.
That sounds really cool. Can you play us some stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's just pressing buttons then, really? Yeah. Okay. How long have you?
I know you play the guitar and sing. Yeah.
Have you got one here?
We got violin. Yeah.
Got violin. Cheers. Sweet.
Yeah.
So Subi and Camilla are the musicians. They've offered to take us sound searching, whatever that means. Guessing something to do with the soundtrack.
Okay. Right, you have to call. Oh, it's here. Wait. Like going round and just hitting metal things because we like all those crazy sounds and we are like really into like noise stuff.
What else? We're making a lot of noise.
This place has got a really sick reverb.
Yeah.
So we're just like really enjoying being here.
Trying to capture it with
Exactly.
the stick. Is this someone's water?
They're responsible for making the soundtrack for a feature film, which is pretty big. Sounded pretty good.